Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you the Nudestix Sweet and Sunny Cheeks 2-piece nudies kit, which retails for $47, and you get two full-size 0.25 ounce products. One is in a dewy shade, which is called Sweet Cheeks, and the other one is in a matte shade, which is called Sun Kissed Cool. Now, I'm super excited because I wanted to try this out. I love these colors paired together, and I love that they're both different finishes, but let's go ahead and try this out on my face and skin tone. And this is a product up close. As you can see, it does have a soft, dense brush that I am going to use in this video. And I'm going to start off with the dewy shade Sweet Cheeks, which in my opinion is like a beautiful kind of corally muted nudie shade, which is the one that I actually really liked. And first thoughts is it is definitely dewy. You can see a little bit of shine on my cheekbones, and I'm blending it out with that brush, and instantly it gives me a beautiful kind of healthy glow, which I think looks amazing. And throughout this video, you're going to see how impressed I am, because I really am just winging it with this kit, which I got at Ulta, by the way. And it does layer well, and you can build it. So that's what I did, and I am very satisfied. I think it looks really beautiful. I also want to mention that it is vegan, cruelty-free, and has clean ingredients, so I really like that as well for my products. And now I'm going to go in with the matte shade, which at first I was like, maybe I can use it as a blush, but I really wanted to try it on my skin tone as a kind of bronzer contour kind of product, just to test it out. And as you can see, I'm putting it in areas where I would contour and bronze. So this is all an experiment, and I think it's a pleasant experiment. This color also very different, very muted, kind of bronzery, contoury for my skin tone, but I'm sure that it can be used as a blush, a beautiful blush for darker skin tones. But again, as you can see, blends very well, gives me a beautiful kind of tint and contour for my skin tone. So I also want to mention that I tried to do some research and I didn't see these shades available individually. So if you really want to try these out, you might have to get this 2-piece kit, which is a deal. Retails for $47, and it's worth it in my opinion. Super impressed. I love the combo together. Now for this part, I'm doing my nose and contouring my nose with my fingers, which I like to do for a natural look, and I think it looks pretty great. What do you guys think? But that is the end product of my face, but I am also going to use these shades on my lips now. Now I used lip liner, but I'm just going to kind of blot on. I think I went in with the Sun Kissed Cool first, and then I went back in with the dewy Sweet Cheeks, and this is the end product. I sprayed some setting spray, and I love this so much. I'm super impressed. Watching this video now, I am going to go back and use it. It's perfect for all seasons, and that was my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.